I hate to say it, but the Pixel 7 gravy train is finally over. And you're probably wondering what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the trade-in deals. So there was something unprecedented in the history of Google phones. They actually had one, good prices, and two, amazing trade-in deals. So y'all might even harken back to when I made a video recently how you could effectively get a Pixel 7 for $20 plus tax if you traded in a Pixel 6. That's because they were offering over $400 trade-in credit for the Pixel 6. Even more than that for the Pixel 6 Pro. So if you traded one of those in, you could get a Pixel 7 really dirt cheap. Well, the trade-in values have not only gone down, they've plummeted. like the stock market over the last year or two. It's not good. It's pretty bad. So I was looking yesterday. The reason I was looking was because I had seen that the sales had come back, and the sales are good. I mean, the Pixel 7, you can get it for $499 instead of $599. That's an amazing deal. And they were having some great trade-ins. I had people telling me they were trading in like Pixel 4As, Pixel 5As, and getting like $350 or whatever. I mean, shoot, I traded in an iPhone SE 2022 when I got mine. They gave me $475 for it. I only paid $429 for the phone, and I was trying to figure out where in the world I was going to sell it to even get like $300 because they just don't retain their value that well, especially since they're such a, well, it's a cheap iPhone already. So there were some amazing trade-in deals. Now, pretty bad. Like I was looking and they're basically giving you like $150, $140 now for a Pixel 6. So if you were to trade a Pixel 6 in, try to get a Pixel 7, take advantage of the $499 deal, yeah, they're going to give you like $150. That is abysmally low. Like that's just beyond comprehension low, like super low. So I guess they're to the point now where they think, okay, most people that are going to buy these that had a Pixel 6 have probably migrated over. Otherwise, they probably assume you're going to keep it anyway, which is probably the logic behind taking away the good trade-in deals. Also, you're not going to believe this. Guess how much money they will give you for an S22 Ultra? And we're talking about Google, we're talking about Best Buy. Like basically their trade-in prices, they mimic each other. $800? $900? $600? How much do you think? Because it's an $1,199 phone, right? $1,199 phone, not even a year old. I mean, a lot of places basically, I mean, you could have got like $1,000 trade-in credit through Samsung the last couple of months trading it in for getting like, a Fold 4. $300. Yes, Google and Best Buy both are only offering $300 trade-in credit for the most expensive flagship normal Android phone that's out on the market. That's utterly insane. And you have to be utterly insane to make that deal. Like, absolutely nobody should be trading in an S22 Ultra for a Pixel 7. The Pixel 7 is a very good phone, but I think the S22 Ultra is a better phone. And it's got all the great bells and whistles with it. You've got the S Pen, you've got better overall complete camera setup. I mean, yes, it's much more in line with the Pixel 7 Pro, but go with me here. For the Pixel 7, you shouldn't be trading in an S22 Ultra. I'm sorry. If you've done that and you're happy, that's totally fine. I mean, you're making your own financial decisions. I'm not making them for you. This is just an outside perspective looking in. Don't trade in a $1,200 phone that you got less than a year ago for a Pixel 7 and get $300 trade-in credit. That's just crazy. So, I'm glad that they had such good deals for a while. It lasted a lot longer than I thought it did. Like, really and truly, I did not expect that. Whenever I saw the stuff, that's why I made a couple of videos and I talked to you guys and said, look, if you want to get one, take advantage of this while you can. And I shared this yesterday on Twitter. If you wanted to get one, that window of opportunity was much larger than I expected. I mean, they kept it open. They kept the price open for Cyber Monday, Black Friday, for like that 2 weeks, basically. So there were some great deals. There were some great deals to be had, and now there aren't. I mean, maybe there are for the carrier still. I'm sure that some people are going to still trickle over. Some people are going to buy it. A lot of this is going to be word of mouth marketing at this point in time because, well, the phone's been out for a little bit now, and a lot of people have them in their hands. So, and I don't think that this is necessarily bad. I mean, what Google is not known for having great trade-in values, and they're usually not known for having good sales, but having good sales and good trade-in values is just crazy. I mean, shoot, the Pixel 6a you can still get for $299. Insanely good deal. And then you look at the Pixel 7, $499, the Pixel 7 Pro, $749. those are good. I mean, you can't just go around in life always expecting that someone's going to give you massive trading credit. And of course, this is just a USA thing that I'm talking about. Maybe there's some other deals in Europe. Maybe there's some deals in Canada, Australia. I don't know. And I can't speak to those because I don't follow those markets. But yeah, the prices are good. And the prices are already good. I mean, they're really disruptive when you look at the Android landscape, especially for what you get in the phones. The benefit to the value is amazing, especially when you're looking at like the Pixel 7 Pro $749 versus an $1199 S22 Ultra. I mean, MSRP to MSRP, I mean, that's a pretty fair deal. So that's all I got. I'm sure at some point in time they might come back. The trade-in deals, I think they're going to be less lucrative, though, especially continuing to move forward. Of course, they're going to keep doing the sales stuff. Google's been very aggressive with the sales, discounting the prices, chopping the prices off, and all that good stuff. But yeah, now that we're past that initial window of that big push to get people to move over from the 6 to the 7, people to early adopt, people to pick it up straight out of the gate, especially with all the resounding positive commentary and positive news, I don't think you're going to see really good lucrative trade and stuff, but we'll see. If I happen to see it again, I'll let you guys know. But for now, it seems like, yeah, I think that ship has pretty much sailed. So yeah, that's all I got in this video. What do you think? Do you think that it was really good? Were you surprised at how long the traded values and the sale stuff lasted? Like, they had some good traded deals going for a long time, right? For like quite a while, well over a month. And then the prices and the sale stuff was really good too. So there was a great window there for a couple of weeks where anybody could have scooped in, got one, upgraded cheap, and got a fantastic phone. And now, $300 for an S22 Ultra. I think it was like $240 or something like that for an S22 Plus. I'm like, $1,000 phone, you're going to give $200. No thanks. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go down in the comments section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.